Installing and optimizing Elden Ring to reduce frame stuttering can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to avoid performance issues. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Installing the latest drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Disabling VSync and setting the frame rate limit can also help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Go to your Windows settings and adjust for best performance. This includes disabling background applications, adjusting power settings to high performance, and ensuring that your game is running on a dedicated GPU if you have a laptop. Step 5. Install performance-enhancing software. Consider using software tools like Razer Cortex or MSI Afterburner to optimize your system for gaming. These tools can help manage system resources and monitor performance, allowing you to make further adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce frame stuttering in Elden Ring and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!